Naghanap ka ba ng spacious, modern minimalist house na malapit sa Dasmariñas and Tagaytay at accessible din sa Metro Manila? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Sulit at affordable house dahil may floor area ito na 71 square meters. Kaya naman may spacious tayo na living, dining, at kitchen area. And yes, mataas po ang ating floor to ceiling height. And may minimum lot size tayo na 50 square meters for inner unit. Kaya naman meron tayong extra space dito sa back for service area or extension ng inyong kitchen area. At meron tayong provision for one carport. Meron tayong enough space sa ating toilet and bath with complete fixtures, semi-finished turnover, included na ang ating tiles sa ground floor. At pagdating naman sa ating second floor, meron itong provision para sa tatlong spacious na room. At ang maganda nga dito ay may toilet and bath pa tayo with complete fixtures.